Hello, crawlers, and welcome back to Coupe the Grill. Today we are going to do Dirty Shirley's in honor of Dungeon Crawler Carl. If you guys haven't read the books, I definitely recommend it. New achievement! Since book 2, Mr. Grill has definitely been asking for Dirty Shirley's. We're making them today right here for you guys. Alright, so a Dirty Shirley is a Shirley Temple with alcohol. And a Shirley Temple is 7-Up with cherries and cherry juice. So we're going to make that, and we're using, for the alcohol today, Tito's. Why? Because Tito's supports the animals, and if you guys are Dungeon Crawler Carl's fans, you'll know why it's important to support the animals. So it says 2 ounces of vodka to start with. Make sure you grab your favorite shot glass. And we're going to add... This is actually 1.5 ounces. If you're in Wisconsin, you can definitely go 2 shot glasses. But that's about 2 ounces. This is a small glass. All right. The next thing is 1 ounce of cherry juice. Grenadine or cherry juice. We can't use grenadine because Mr. Grill is allergic to red 40. So we've got these cherries. If you guys are allergic to red 40 and have always wanted cherry juice, get these. Find them. They sell them on Amazon. They sell them at most Walmarts. Go get yourself some of these. These cherries are great, and so is the juice that goes with it. We've got the juice, and there's about 1 ounce in here. It is thicker. We did thin that with a little bit of 7-Up. And that is the next thing, your 7-Up. Top it with that. Ooh, that looks perfect right there. We know that Princess Donut would be outraged if we did not add extra cherries. So we're going to make sure we add extra cherries. There we go. Now, you'll notice I didn't add ice, and that's because I'm going to mix this up. And you can, if you have a shaker, you can add it in your shaker. If you have another glass, that's all you really need. And this stirs it up really nice. There we go. Now is when you're going to add your ice. And then you pour that.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Dirty Shirley. Cheers. Oh, those are good. We're going to drink enough of these to make Mongo appalled. Well, there you go, crawlers. Thanks for coming along with us and making Dirty Shirley's here at Coupe de Grill. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It could give me a new achievement. Alright, seriously, if you guys haven't gone and checked out the Dungeon Crawler Carl books, though, over here, yeah, go check them out. Audiobooks are fantastic. The books are awesome. There's 7 out right now. Number 8 is coming out in May, and there's going to be 10 total. We're just super big fans.